In this tutorial, I'll connect Zvid to an n8n AI agent through MCP, create a reusable video template, generate 5 product variants, render them, and receive webhook notifications. We'll start with Zvid's ready-made n8n workflow, so the agent and its required connections do not need to be built manually. Go to zvid.io, scroll to the footer, and click n8n workflows. This opens Zvid's library of importable n8n automations. On the workflow library page, use the search field to find the workflow for an AI agent that creates videos on demand. Click the search box and type AI agent. Then open the matching workflow card. On the workflow page, click Download JSON to save the workflow definition to your computer. Return to n8n, open the workflow menu, choose Import from File, and select the JSON file you just downloaded. After the import, the chat trigger feeds a Zvid AI agent. The agent is already connected to a chat model, conversation memory, and Z-VID MCP tools. First, open the OpenRouter chat model node. OpenRouter is convenient because one connection gives you access to models from several providers. For this demo, select OpenAI/GPT-5 Mini. It is a capable, low-cost choice, but you can use another model as long as it supports reliable tool calling. Next, open the Z-VID MCP tools node. Under MCP OAuth2 API, open the credential list and choose Create New Credential. In server URL, enter https://mcp.zvid.io/mcp. Leave dynamic client registration enabled, then click Connect. You need a Zvid account for this step. Sign in if required, review the authorization page, and click Allow Access. The pop-up should confirm a successful connection. Close the pop-up, select the credential you just created in the Zvid MCP tools node, and open it once more to verify the green Account Connected message. Then close the credential window. Now test the workflow from the chat. We'll ask the agent to create a reusable, mobile-first promotional template for a shoe store. The prompt must clearly identify the values that will change for every product. Here, those variables are the product name, price, and product photo. Type, create a reusable 9x16 promo template for a shoe store. Continue, replaceable, product name, price, product photo. This tells the agent which fields must remain editable across variants. Finish with dark premium style, brand color hex 0B1020. Then send the message. When the run finishes, the agent reports, template saved, no credit spent, and returns the template ID, estimated render credits, design summary, and an editor URL. Click that URL. The template opens in Zvid's editor as a 9x16 mobile video. Before rendering, you can change scenes, text, media, timing, and audio. Press play to review it. Watch the full preview and check that the layout, animation, product placement, and call to action work as expected. Because this is still a template preview, you can return to the editor and adjust anything before spending render credits. Once the template looks right, return to the n8n chat. Now we'll reuse it for 5 products instead of designing 5 separate videos. The product data is already prepared in a sheet. In the chat input, type, please render a video for each product of these. This gives the agent a clear bulk creation instruction. Directly beneath that instruction, paste the product rows from the sheet, including each product's text values and media URLs. Then click Send. The agent creates a separate draft for every product and returns a table containing each product name, draft ID, estimated credits, and an Open Editor link. It has not rendered the videos yet. Click any Open Editor link to inspect that product's personalized draft. This lets you catch incorrect copy or media before rendering all 5. Play the variant and confirm that the reusable structure remains consistent while the product photo, name, price, and other supplied fields have changed. Repeat this review for any other variant that needs checking, then return to the n8n chat when the drafts are ready. Back in the chat, type render all 5 videos and send it. This is the step that submits the drafts to the render queue and spends credits. The agent confirms that all 5 projects were submitted. One job becomes active and starts rendering, while the other 4 remain queued. You can ask the agent for status repeatedly, but a webhook is better when another system needs to react automatically. In production, you could create a second n8n workflow with a webhook trigger and use its public production URL. This n8n instance is running locally, so its callback cannot be reached from the internet without a public tunnel. For this demonstration, open webhook.site. It creates a temporary public HTTPS endpoint and displays every request sent to it. Copy the unique URL. Open Zvid, choose webhooks, click Add Webhook, and paste the webhook.site URL into endpoint URL. Keep render.completed and render.failed selected. Click Add Webhook, then clear the old requests on webhook.site. Zvid will now send an HTTP post whenever a render completes or fails, so the receiving workflow can continue without polling. To check progress manually as well, return to the AI agent and ask for the current status of all 5 renders. The updated status reports 1 completed video, 1 active render, and 3 queued jobs. Open the completed videos URL to inspect the final output. This is the finished vertical advertisement generated from the reusable template and 1 row of product data. Review the complete video to confirm its media, text, animation, and timing survived the final render. Return to webhook.site. The new post contains a render completed event. Its JSON includes the status, final video and thumbnail URLs, duration, size, and credits charged. A second callback indicates that another product video has completed. Open its return video URL to confirm that the same template has produced a different, correctly personalized ad. In a real n8n workflow, this callback could trigger storage, publishing, approval, or customer notification steps. That's the complete flow. Import the workflow, connect Z-VID through MCP, create and review reusable drafts, render the variants, and process completion events with webhooks. Thanks for watching.